Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we explore two powerful methods to transform strings by replacing the last comma with the word and. Managing lists in Excel becomes more eloquent with this technique. Let's dive into the first method, using a formula, and then explore the second method employing a user-defined function in VBA. Let's see the first method to replace the last comma in a string with the word and. Begin by selecting the cell containing your string. Then, select one blank cell and type the following formula into the formula box. Equals substitute, v1, and len, v1, len, substitute, v1. This formula dynamically replaces the last comma with and, offering a quick and efficient solution. Then press Enter key in your keyboard and drag the autofill handler over other cell to apply this formula. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves a user-defined function using VBA code. Follow these steps to run the VBA code. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. In the VBA editor, click on Insert and select Module to create a new module. Copy the provided VBA code and paste it into the module. Close the VBA editor. Once saved, you can use the new function directly in your worksheet. Now, you can use the function replace last comma with and in your Excel worksheet. For example, if your string is in cell A1, you can enter the formula in another cell to get the modified string. Equals replace last comma with and A1. This method adds a personalized touch to your Excel experience, providing flexibility in your string manipulation tasks. So there you have it, two powerful methods to seamlessly replace the last comma with and in Excel strings. Whether you prefer the precision of a formula or the personalized touch of VBA, these techniques empower you to elegantly manipulate your data. If you found these methods valuable, make sure to subscribe for more Excel insights, hit the like button, and share this video with others looking to enhance their data management skills. Thanks for watching.